Hey guys, I got a message, someone asking about recalls. Does dealerships have to reveal that a vehicle has a recall on it? Or a B lot, or a C lot, or a dealership, or period? Do they have to reveal? Well, yes, they do. It's two kinds of recalls. One is a safety recall. I'm gonna tell you about the safety recall. I have a Tahoe, but I got a recall through the mail from General Motors stating that there's a recall on the back seat for the seatbelt, and that I needed to actually get that taken care of. And so about 3 weeks later, I got something through the mail from General Motors stating that, hey, if the part is in, you can go take care of it. Now, when it's a safety recall, when you get that through the mail and you own a vehicle, you leasing a vehicle, you need to get it taken care of. Because if you don't get it taken care of, guess what? You could die. I mean, you could die. They're letting you know that you could die. You know, they're not telling you on paper that you could die if it's a safety recall, but you could die because that's why they're sending it to you. So you putting it off doesn't make sense. Now, also, a safety car being in the back of the vehicle, nobody's riding in the back with me. I'm in the front, and I don't have anybody that sits in the back. So I'm not gonna I didn't really worry about the safety recall. But if I put somebody in the back, guess what? It's gonna be on me. Somebody could die in my vehicle. So what I'm telling you is that you must get that taken care of if you have a safety recall. Now, I was looking to sell my Tahoe to someone, and I did not reveal it to them. I'm responsible. So if the dealership does that, they're responsible. So that's a safety recall. The next recall is a general stop. Now, general stop is Volt battery on the Chevy Volt. It's a stop. You can't sell it. Any dealership cannot sell you the car. It's a general stop. That means, yeah, if they sell it to you, the dealership can get sued. But it's a general stop. They're not gonna sell it to you. They're not. It was bought on our lot for months because the battery was blowing up the cars, right? So anyway, it was a general stop on the vehicle. So we're not selling it to you. So basically the purpose of this video is to let you know there's 2 recalls out there. And how do you get past those recalls? How do you find out if you're buying a used vehicle? You ask for the Carfax. Because on the Carfax, anytime any recall is out there, put out there in America, it's on the Carfax. Hands down. See you on the next video.